Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life video presentation.
Vitamin B9, commonly known as folate, is essential for DNA synthesis, cell division, and healthy red blood cell formation. It plays a central role in methylation, a biochemical process that influences energy, mood, detoxification, and long-term cellular health. Chemically, folate includes several forms, all based on the formula C19H19N7O6. Inside the body, folate converts into active forms like 5-MTHF, which support DNA production, cellular repair, and healthy methylation. These processes are essential for growth, development, and long-term wellness. Inside your cells, folate becomes 5-MTHF, the active form that supports DNA synthesis and methylation. This process is vital for producing new cells, repairing tissues, and maintaining healthy genetic expression throughout your life. Folate is especially important during pregnancy. It supports healthy neural tube development and reduces the risk of birth defects. Adequate B9 ensures proper cell division and growth, making it one of the most critical nutrients for maternal and fetal health. Research shows that folate deficiency can impair DNA synthesis, reduce red blood cell production, and increase the risk of developmental complications. Studies highlight that restoring B9 levels improves methylation, supports healthy cell growth, and enhances overall metabolic function. Peer-reviewed studies also link folate to improved cardiovascular health through homocysteine regulation, enhanced cognitive function, and better cellular repair. Scientists continue exploring its role in genetic expression, detoxification, and long-term metabolic wellness. You can increase your vitamin B9 intake through foods like leafy greens, lentils, asparagus, avocados, citrus fruits, and fortified grains. These nutrient-dense foods support DNA synthesis, red blood cell formation, and overall metabolic health. For those who may not get enough folate from food alone, B9 supplements including folic acid and methylated folate are widely available. They offer a simple way to support DNA synthesis, methylation, and overall cellular health. Your body thrives when it has the nutrients it needs. Vitamin B9 plays a powerful role in DNA synthesis, cell repair, and long-term metabolic balance. Supporting your B9 levels can help you feel more energized, resilient, and healthy. Make vitamin B9 a priority today. Your cells, your metabolism, and your long-term wellness will thank you. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the series to build a stronger, more energized you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website integrativenutritionforlife.com and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.